ma men set sa record we straight ema NDC full soldiers na mo mpedifo no ada mache Bank of Ghana Hospital any UGMC phase 1 no enye President Mahama legacy a mo claim say President Mahama ne siye no enye ne legacy oba inheriti ye na nyonu ene siye ena mo fanse mutirim say Ghana ha yeto abama president ne yeto abama vice president ena mbetram hospitals a former president Professor Mills na mefa ne krasie ye o shaase a wo wie ya bra no otiase ene de President Mahama yeto abama no abra President Mills efri mu ono so besi ye ena mbetram sa hospitals no enyina ena mesa tremo de Professor Mills ene President Mahama ebe to ya o man wie mu ba kokora mu 8 years na mu bedi ye no o man wie mu ba kokora eno President Kufuor ene started sa hospitals ni na no man be wie mu ba kumpo ba kokora man be wie hospitals a Professor Mills initiate ye enu nie Lekma Hospital, Bank of Ghana Hospital, Maritime Hospital, and a UGMC phase 1. Sa hospital way and a Professor Mills estate ye na di owie ye ansa na nyame eto ne safre no Lekma Hospital. Lekma Hospitals. Eti Professor Mills obedi akonya no hospital baako ena otimi ewie ye o start bi ba baako pe no otimi wie ye ena hospital a ye to aba ema President Mahama 4 years na obedi ye 2012 eba no hospital baako pe for the records hospital baako pe ena President Mahama estati ya wo wie ye eno eye Dodowa Hospital sai osuduku o se ndien Dodowa Hospital eno na President Mahama ebedi 4 years no o wie ye 8 years a Professor Mills ene Mahama ebedi akonya no omu wie hospitals 5 pe na hospital 5 no mu wie ye no na ni na wa Accra na hospital we na wa Accra hospitals a omu 8 years Mills Mahama government ewie ye enu nie Bank of Ghana Hospital Lekma Hospital Maritime Hospital UGMC phase 1 and a Dodowa Hospitals. Omu 8 years no mu bedi ye no. Enu the 8 years of Mills Mahama government. Hospitals omu beto ye. Hospitals are inherited hospitals. Oman wie mu ba kokra former President Kufuor estate ye. A omu beto ye. Oman wie mu ba kokra me set sa record we straight. NDC full soldiers mutie sa hospitals no a omo beto ye oman wie mu ba kokra no enu nie Fomena Hospital, Kumawu Hospital, Bupe Hospital, Abetifi Hospital, Reta Hospital, Tola Hospital, Somenya Hospital, Garutempane Hospital, Bupe Hospital, Sola Hospital, and a Bamboy Hospital. And 8 years of Mills Mahama government, omo beto ya oman wie. And so former President Nanado Ebaye obewie sa hospitals we na esa CB ka on. Eti former President Nanado wa boadwuma in this fourth republic. President Bianwa wa boadwuma che Nanado and na me throw challenge fourth republic on Nanado wa boadwuma papa wa ya de eti mo amosole amosi 8 years of Nanado wa meyehwe no wa beye bibi papa NDC for baye 10 regis ni na umusi hospital 5 pe na omu wie ye President Mahama di osi ye ba ko pe Dodowa Hospital e na omusi ye enne ma set sa record we straight the NDC full soldiers na sorry to say mun pe dusia no mun sua de na mun pe for no madada mo
Posi G, I like what you are doing. Ebusunya mo akaba bion from Ghana and Sam TV. And so we dey just so any promise the blogger. Hanom ye Ghana and Sam TV. Na ebusunya video akre eye. Ye nua be mo wa TikTok e friend Posi G. Na ono de ejuma oye ne say obedi banke NDC fontro not the facts, any evidence actually omo. Na Oshaya Ochira will say under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, only one hospital, and it will started from scratch. ACU when they completed a year operational, and no a year Dodowa, a year government hospital, a was shy Osudoku, a year constituent and as a district. Dodowa government hospital. That is the only hospital under John Dramani Mahama for the 4 years as president. It was in 2012, 7th of December. No? I swear in 2013, sorry, 7th of January. No? One hospital. Professor John Evans Fifiata Mills started the phase 1 of the UGMC annual University of Ghana Medical Center. Or started the year rehabilitation and I say reconstruction of a year the Ridge Hospital, the Greater Accra Regional Hospital. When it was completed under another Danko Kufuado. Mahama commissioned it though in November 2016, but then it completed. It was operational somewhere in June 2017 under another Danko Kufuado. Bank of Ghana Hospital started by Professor John Evans Fifiata Mills. It was operational in 2021 under another Danko Kufuado. Phase 1 of UGMC Mahama commissioned here the 6th of January 2017. The Kufuado started phase 2 in 2018, completed in 2022, and it was a fully. So that's the fact. And see, so what should another Danko Kufuado? He came and completed all the hospitals Kufuor started in 2008. And this about went to me with say Kumewu, Sewua, Afari. All this was started under President John Ajekum Kufuor, the Gentle Jack. A year, sir, Eurojet project no. Then I Kufuor project. Formina Hospital, Kufuor started here. Bekwai Hospital was started under a champion, and it was Kufuor the baby year. Aside no, Kufuor the be seen it there. Kufuor until there was Swami. There were Drobonso. There were Mason Quanta, Trade, Bebre. A lot of hospitals in Ashanti region. About Greater Accra, Ipong Katamanso, the nephrology and oncology department. I did the 111. About the Ansumani say ya. I'm one of the 111 so the base government hospital. Then I was built another Danko Kufuor. Oko Western John Watakwansi him. Say we are Contombra Elubo. Then I was built another Danko Kufuor. Oko Western region, you Kere, you Chianse. See, we can every region. Oko North at Tolong, Oko South a Bota region, Ketu South Hospital, South Disease Infection Center. All these things were built under another Dankwa Ekufu-Addo. Another Dankwa Ekufu-Addo built all these hospitals. So compare these guys to another Dankwa Ekufu-Addo. Let's see. You know, I've been telling you several times that doing another Dankwa Ekufu-Addo a year as president, you know, it will take the other president years before I'm meeting and matching a level. Are you guys think say be a car? We are live. But I'm very glad to say and I'm for ever out with more evidence to let you people know. Hi, I can Ansem TV. I'm just so and I promise the blogger.